Hello guys, welcome back to on channel Smart English Learning with Sushma Rohal. This is the video for class 7th in which I will tell you full solution of grammar book, that is exam book, and in this I'm just going to tell you the solution of 6th chapter, that is a tense. Before this one I taught you rest of the parts the solution also, and if you would like to watch other part or other grammar part writing section, so first you would subscribe the channel, then go to the playlist and select your desired playlist, then you can watch your desired video with the solution also, detailed video as well as the solution also given in the videos there. You have to just select the video in which you will find your own solution, right? So now we are just going to begin the full exercise of this chapter. Tenses, the very first is given here. You have to write a simple present tense, and one more thing there, I have made already 4 videos on tense, so 4 parts of tenses are given there. You should first go there and watch those videos so that concept will clear to you, that how you will use and what will you use there in the fill in the blanks, right? With example and animation I taught you there. Now without wasting the time, we are going to begin this one. So first example is here. You have to write a simple present tense. Simple present tense means subject, verb first form, s or es, and object, right? So we are just using, you are following the same rule here. I is your plural, and you have to use with plural singular form of verb, because I is, whether I is a single person, but we always consider it in the plural form. So I run faster than my sister. Anu is a singular. Anu does her work sincerely. We is a plural, so singular form will come. We take things, right? They is a plural, so pray will come, singular will come here. You is a plural, so you waste will come, right? This musician is a singular, so what will come? Plural form of verb, performs. Next, these children plural, so disturb will come without ses. My watch is a singular, but you have to use loss with it. No need to write es with this, right? Next is it is a singular, it's a rains here. Next is these girls are plural, so you have to use a singular form of verb here, right? Loss is the same in singular and same in plural, so no need to change loss here, right? In case of tense. Next is given here, uh, complete these sentences with a simple past. Past rule is here, subject plus a second form of verb plus object. So we are just placing here second form. Otherwise, if negative sense is there, then we will use did you word here, right? So did you see Tefur Sikri when you went to Agra? Question mark. Means if a question mark is asked in the simple past, you have to use a did, and did will come in the beginning. Did you see? And did plus first form always. Use always did plus first form. Did you see? Saw will not come. Did you see will come, because did already you have used a second form or second verb there, right? Next is the and as a helping verb also there. I called her. Called is a second form, so what will come? I called her up yesterday, but she was at home, right? Next is I'm writing with reference to the order I placed which you last month, right? Placed will come, second form will come here. Our parents taught will come here. Oh, I'm sorry, I visited will come here. When did they start the new company? Question mark. So did will come first, then first form start. Did plus first form will come here. Did plus first form again. Did you know the एयरक्राफ्ट फ्लू अवे? क्या तुम जानते हो कि कौन सा एयरक्राफ्ट अभी अभी उड़ा है यहाँ से? तो यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? डिड यू आएगा. नेक्स्ट, रिचर्ड डिडंट एक्सेप्ट द जॉब. डिडंट एक्सेप्ट, उसने एक्सेप्ट नहीं की बिकॉज द टाइमिंग डिड नॉट सूट हर, राइट? नेक्स्ट इज द यू हैव टू यूज प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यू टेंस. प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यू मीन्स सब्जेक्ट प्लस is mr plus first form, and then you have to use ing with that. So what is given here? The home team is playing well in the tournament. Play, so that home team is a singular, so what will come? Is will come, and with the helping verb ing will come. So what is that? The home team is playing. Who dash in my bed? Lie. So who, singular is here, so is will come. Who is lying? lie plus ing, lying will come. Who is lying in my bed? अभी मेरे बेड पे कौन लेटा है? The government. The government is a singular here. The government is singular के साथ is आ गया. Making, make के साथ ing is making आ गया. Next, what dash दो these days? What you write, मीन्स आप लिख क्या रहे हैं? So what will come? What are you writing these days? What are you writing these days? I dash in this house any longer. Will not live, नहीं रह सकता. नहीं रह सकता मीन्स नहीं रह रहा हूँ. So what will come? I के साथ क्या लगता है? Am. I'm not living in this house any longer. Next is the squall dash the nuts. The squall is a singular, so is will come. Hide ing, hiding will come. So is hiding. The squall is hiding the nuts in a hole of a tree. And Mr. Christian is a singular, so is will come. And take form of is so taking will come. So Mr. Christian is taking extra class. Who dash for? They and wait. Miss they for plural, so what will come? R will come. So who they are waiting for? वो किसका वेट यहाँ पे कर रहे हैं? Next is their present perfect continue. Sorry, present perfect tense. Present perfect tense means present means present tense में, perfect means perfection आएगी. means perfection के लिए आप has या have का use करेंगे. And has and have plus third form will come, right? So have you traveled a lot? Shiris, yeah, I have traveled a lot. I have traveled. I के साथ have लग गया और प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म आ गया. Have you ever been to श्रीलंका? क्या आप कभी श्रीलंका गए हो? आपने देखी कभी श्रीलंका? No, I haven't ever been to Sri Lanka. So be was been. This is also third form, right? Next is the have you been to many places in India? Yes, I have been to many places in India. Otherwise yes I have is also enough, but otherwise yes I have, yeah I have been to many places in India. Next, dash any book of Harry Potter series. have you read have you read any book of Harry Potter series? Yeah, I have read. So I have read, again have plus third form is here, because read, all the third forms will remain same. Read, read, read. So third form, three forms will remain same. Spelling will be same there. Just only pronunciation will change here. How many times have you read it? How many times? I have read it 5 times, 10 times, 20 times. It depends upon you. What we will give the answer. Next, you have to place present perfect continue. Present time में means has, have, is, am, are will come, right? perfect की सेंस में तो has और have आएगा. present perfect में क्या आ गया? has and have. continue अगर आपको इसको करना है तो has, have के साथ been और प्लस continue के लिए फर्स्ट फॉर्म के साथ ing आएगा. तो perfect के लिए आपको has या have लगाना है. continue अगर इसके साथ आ गया तो been लग के फर्स्ट फॉर्म प्लस ing आएगा यहाँ पे. so what will come here? The helicopter is hovering over the city since 6:30 a.m. So what will come? The helicopter has been, is की जगह क्या आएगा? Has been hovering over the city since 6:30 a.m. Right? Next is there, it is raining heavily. It has been raining. Is की जगह क्या आएगा? Has been, और raining already given है तो has been raining will come here. So what will come? It has been raining heavily since morning. Next is given, the river is overflowing its bank. Is in place of is, what will come? River has been overflowing its bank for about a week. Next is here, she is making efforts to start ladies club since the day she came to this colony. So what will come in place of is? What will come? Has been, and making is already given here. So she has been making efforts to start ladies club since the day she came to this colony. Next is here, the police is, in place of is, what will come? Has been. So the police has been keeping a watch over the movements since 10 March, right? Next is given here, you have to write either simple present or present continuous. Simple present means first form plus ses, otherwise present continuous is mr or ing. First form plus ing. So let's see what will come. This jewelry box is containing a precious diamond necklace. Is containing, भी इसमें क्या है? Precious diamond necklace है. I don't believe all the human beings are selfish. Okay, if simple present tense, if you are making negative, then you have to use do also. Don't believe. Believe is there see, not believe is written, so not believe will not come. It's on. Helping verb will come before it, and in simple present helping verb will be do or does, and according to I, do will come. This syrup taste bitter. कांट आई हैव कैप्सूल, क्या मैं कैप्सूल नहीं ले सकती, इसका तो टेस्ट बहुत बिटर है भाई, तो टेस्ट दिस सिरप टेस्ट, टेस्ट विल कम, राइट, टेस्ट नहीं होता, टेस्ट होता है, तो एज इट इज विल कम हियर. डू यू नो हियर आई पुट माई पर्स, डू यू नो वेर आई पुट माई पर्स, मैंने अपना पर्स कहाँ रख दिया, क्या आपको पता है. सो प्रेजेंट, सिंपल प्रेजेंट के लिए आपको लगाना होगा डू यू नो. डैश टू यू these books belong, dash to you means these books belong to you. So what will come? These books belong to you. Okay, so what will come? Do these books belong to you? So what will come here? Do these books belong to you? Why? These books plural है यहाँ पे, plural के साथ verb आएगी आपकी singular. So do these books belong to you? Right? Next is here, the car you are looking at belong to my father. जिस कार की तरफ आप देख रहे हो वो मेरे फादर की है. So the car you are looking at belong to my father. Next is here G, you have to write a simple past means second form, otherwise past continue, was were plus ing, was were plus first form ing. So what will come here? While he was watering the plant, जब वो plants को watering कर रहा था, it was to rain, it was beginning टू रेन. तो ये यहाँ पर क्या हो गया, एकदम से रेन शुरू हो गई थी यहाँ पर, ठीक है. जैसे वो पानी दे रहा था प्लांट्स को, वैसे ही बारिश शुरू हो गई. और वाइल कब आता है? फॉर टू लॉन्ग एक्शंस. अब टू लॉन्ग एक्शन क्या है, यहाँ पर वाटरिंग का भी लॉन्ग एक्शन है और बिगनिंग का भी लॉन्ग एक्शन है, इसलिए आपका वाइल आता है यहाँ पे. नेक्स्ट, अगर आपको व्हेन और वाइल में डिफरेंस देखना है तो वो भी वीडियो आपकी ग्रामर की प्लेलिस्ट में आपको अवेलेबल मिलेगी. व्हेन समी डैश शी डैश down and dash her leg. So what will come? Run, fall, hurt. When Swami run, जब वो दौड़ा, she fell, वो नीचे गिर गई, and hurted, और उसको चोट लगी लेग पे. तो Swami क्या यहाँ पे गर्ल है. I was talking to a friend, मैं फ्रेंड से बातें कर रहा था. While the football match was in progress, जो प्रोग्रेस में था, मतलब यहाँ पे भी लॉन्ग एक्शन चल रहा है, प्रोग्रेस में चल रहा है, और यहाँ पर भी लॉन्ग एक्शन चल रहा है कि मैं भी बातें कर रहा था, तो इसलिए हमने यहाँ पे वाइल लगाया है, ठीक है. तो वाइल कब आता है? जब टू लॉन्ग एक्शन होते हैं. तो इसकी डिटेल्ड वीडियो भी है यहाँ पे, आप लोग देख रहे तो देख लेना यहाँ पे, ठीक है. आई वॉज टॉकिंग टू अ फ्रेंड, मैं फ्रेंड से बातें कर रही थी. वाइल, जबकि जो फुटबॉल मैच था वो प्रोग्रेस में था, वो चल रहा था, वो भी लंबा चल रहा था. आई डिडंट रियलाइज, मैंने महसूस ही नहीं किया, द बॉल वॉज कमिंग इन माई डायरेक्शन, कि बॉल मेरी तरफ आ रही थी. एंड इट वॉज टू लेट, और ये मैं बहुत लेट हो गया, बॉल आकर के मुझे लगी यहाँ पे, ठीक है. When I entered the room, जैसे मैं रूम में एंटर हुआ, मामा वॉज डिस्कसिंग, मामा डिस्कस कर रही थी एक रेसिपी अपनी फ्रेंड के साथ. शी ब्रोक ऑफ द डिस्कशन, उसने डिस्कशन को वहीं पे रोका. एंड वेंट इनटू द किचन, किचन में चली जाती है मेरे लिए चाय बनाने के लिए. We were thoroughly enjoying the match on television when suddenly the light went off. जब हम enjoy कर रहे थे उसका किसका, we were enjoying match on TV, टीवी पर जो हम मैच देख रहे थे तभी एकदम से क्या होगा, लाइट चली गई. नेक्स्ट इज गिवन हियर पास्ट परफेक्ट टेंस. पास्ट परफेक्ट में क्या होता है? हैड प्लस थर्ड फॉर्म आती है यहाँ पे, ठीक है. I had read your message that the aircraft took off. ओके, आई हैड रेड योर मैसेज दैट द एयरक्राफ्ट टूक ऑफ. मैं तुम्हारे मैसेज पढ़ लिया था कि जो एयरक्राफ्ट है वो, मतलब जो एरोप्लेन है वो वहां से फ्लाई हो चुका था, अपने वहां से टेक ओवर कर चुका था यहाँ से, ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज गिवन हियर, द फिल्म हिट द सिनेमा हॉल्स. The film hit the cinema halls. Its music became popular. इसका म्यूजिक पॉपुलर हो गया था तभी तो सिनेमा हॉल में फिल्म हिट हुई. तो क्या आएगा? Its music had become popular. Its music had become popular. That's why the film hit the cinema hall. इसलिए वो सिनेमा हॉल में क्या हो गई? हिट हो गई थी. तो पहले क्या हुआ था? पहले एक्शन कौन सा हुआ यहाँ पर, कि जो म्यूजिक है वो पॉपुलर हो गया था, उसके बाद वो सिनेमा हॉल में क्या हुई थी? हिट हुई थी. सो इट्स म्यूजिक हैड बिकम पॉपुलर, देन द फिल्म हिट इन द सिनेमा हॉल्स. द पुलिस अरेस्टेड द मिस्चीवियस फेलो. मिस्चीवियस जो शरारती फेलोज थे उनको उन्होंने अरेस्ट किया. he spread rumor in the city, वो जो थे वो spread कर रहे थे rumor in the city के अंदर, ठीक है. So the police had arrested, पुलिस ने arrested कर दिया, police had arrested the mischievous fellow who were spreading rumor in the city, who were spreading rumor in the city. Next is Mr. Ghosh had bought a new house when he retired. Mr. Ghosh had bought a house when he retired. Next is here, I accepted the job. Manan told me about the risk involved in it. So what will come? Manan had told me about the risk involved in it when I accepted the job. When I accepted the job. Okay. So when I accepted the job, Madan had told me about the risk involved in it. Next is here, rewrite the following by using past perfect continue. Past perfect, past means had, use of had. Perfect continue means here you have to use been plus first form ing. So what will come here? Had been plus first form ing. The surgeon, in place of was, what will come? The surgeon had been performing an operation for 2 hours. The book had been lying on my table for more than 2 weeks. Okay. Had not he been shrinking work ever since he joined the office? So what will come here? Question mark is here. So helping verb will come first. So had will come in the beginning. Had not he been shrinking work ever since he joined the office. Next will come, I had been thinking of getting rid of my parents already, right? The milkman had been knocking at my neighbor's door for some time. Next will come here, will and going you have to use here. So the child has grown very naughty. जो बच्चा था बड़ा naughty जो हो चुका था. Principal going to write to his parents. अब principal उसके parents को जब वो लिखने जा रहा था, लिख रहा था, क्या लिख रहा था उसको कि आपका बच्चा naughty हो गया है. When the war begins, the prices will shoot up. ओके जैसे वॉर होगा जो प्राइसेस हो क्या हो जाएंगे? शूट अप, मतलब ऊपर हो जाएंगे और बढ़ जाएंगे. माई कफ इज परसिस्टिंग, जो मेरी कफ है वो परसिस्टिंग मतलब बहुत बढ़ रही थी. आई विल कंसल्ट माई डॉक्टर दिस इवनिंग, मैं अपने डॉक्टर से इस इवनिंग को आज ही कंसल्ट करूंगा. So the markets will be closed होता है. The markets will be closed on Sunday. And if you walk in this heat, you will fall ill. अगर आप धूप में बाहर जाओगे तो आप बीमार पड़ जाओगे. Next is the future continuous tense. So future continuous tense is here like will, shall plus first form and ing will come here. Will be, shall be plus first form ing. So I shall be harder next year. I shall be working harder next year. कि next year में और भी ज्यादा मेहनत कर रही होंगी. I will be writing to you off and on. Next is I'm sure she will be waiting for you. We will be eagerly looking forward to your visit. We will be eagerly looking forward to your visit. Next, she will be packing the luggage when I reach home. And the last is the L part, future perfect tense. Future perfect tense means will have plus third form will come here. So we hope that all fighting will have stopped by the end of the year. अगर हमें श्योरिटी है तो will लगाएंगे, श्योरिटी नहीं है तो shall लगाएंगे. It depends on the plight of the situation, plight of the thing, that what is going on there. Many days will have passed before we met again. She will have withdrawn money from the bank by tomorrow. And all these flowers shall have withered. Withered means shrink हो गए, मुरझा गए हैं in 2 days time. I dash my work. I shall have finished my work before you begin yours. भी आपका काम जब शुरू होगा उससे पहले मेरा काम जो फिनिश हो चुका होगा. ओके तो ये क्या होगा आपका, आपकी एक्सपेक्टेशन है, जस्ट शॉर्टी नहीं है. फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यू टेंस. So future perfect continuous tense has have been will come. Will have been plus third form. Will have been plus fourth form will come. So what will come? The laborers will be digging a well. The laborers will have been digging a well for 6 days. When you arrive, I will have been picking flower fruit for 2 hours. So what will come? When you arrive, I have been picking fruit for 2 hours. Next, in 2018, he will have been running his business for 10 years. He will have been singing continuously for 2 hours. They will have been touring the country for several days. Touring means tour pe jana. Tomorrow at this time I shall have been flying to Paris. भी कल को तो इस टाइम पे मैं पेरिस के लिए यहाँ से उड़ान भर चुकी होंगी for 2 hours, 2 घंटे के लिए. Okay, so it was your solution of a tense full exercise of exam mate book of class 7. Rest of the part of grammar solution will also be provided on the same channel in the playlist of exam mate grammar book solution for class 7. So if you would like to watch that part, you will just select in the playlist and watch your desired video. In the videos, detailed part are given as well as solution also provided in the same. Means a different video will be of solution, one video will be of the topic. So you have to just check is the solution in the same video or in the different. So after watching that one, you will just find your own desirous videos. Thank you so much for watching the video.